Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Mandalorian gloves and gauntlets. So this was a very straightforward build and I hope you guys will do it at home. So let's get right to the process. Okay guys, so to start the gauntlets, I made this template. This is going to be the main body. So I'm going to cut out 2 of these and get back to you guys. So let's go. So I cut out 2 of these and 2 of these pieces. These go like this. I'll show you what I did because I already finished one to test it. So you see it gets bigger as it goes up. So big, small. And then I just glued these pieces together. So I'm gonna glue this one together, then start a time lapse of one of the gauntlets. So let's go. Okay guys, so for the whistling bird, I want to make it light up. So I'm using a flashlight and I'm just adding some different details. I'm going to start working on the cone shape. That took a while, but you're going to need to do that. And I'm cutting holes for the light to shine through. So I'm going to attach that, which it did take a while. So I attached it, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start adding detail pieces. For example, the piece that wraps alongside of the flashlight to cover it, and some different details bits on the side. Then I'm adding this like triangle shape that I glued onto the side and gives it this really cool look. Okay guys, so the whistling bird gauntlet is done. The light isn't the best, but I'm going to be spackling that, but not today, because I want this done for tomorrow, which is the last episode of The Mandalorian. So what I'm going to do now is do all the details off camera. Okay guys, so I added the details to each side. So now we are going to work on the other gauntlet in a time lapse. So let's go. Okay guys, so this was a pretty straightforward one. I just attached it different pieces of cardboard. This was a very flat gauntlet in the end because it didn't have a lot of different curves. But right now I'm just adding a bunch of different panels and detail pieces. And now I'm adding the same thing that I did on the other gauntlet. Took me a few tries, but at the end it looks good. So what I'm going to do now is get back to you guys. Okay guys, as you saw, I finished this gauntlet. Now I'm going to work on the last part, which is the hand plates. So this is the design I used. So I cut it out and then I glued this little triangle on and bent these 2 pieces in, attached Velcro to the back, attached it to the glove. The reason it looks small is because this glove is way too big on me. You can use any black gloves you want. I know they're fingerless and have another layer, but I don't know what to do for that because I only have this one pair of gloves. So I'm going to finish the other gauntlet, so let's... Okay guys, so I gave everything a layer of silver. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the hand plates tan and this little triangle blue. So I'm going to do that, then get back to you guys. So okay guys, so I painted the hand plates. Now I'm going to show them off with the entire costume done. Okay guys, so this is the gauntlets with the rest of the build. Sorry for my room, I've been working all day. So there will be a bunch of different videos coming out of my armor. For example, the belt, the rifle, and everything else. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see